Hi, everybody. It's Mr. Sanito, and we've got another math lesson for today. Today's lesson is 7.3, and it's a little tricky, so I'm going to run through an example problem. You will not need your book. Just pay attention to the video, and I'm going to walk you through a problem. And there's not that many problems to do in the book, so I'll let you do the rest of the problems on your own. They're all number stories, so they're going to require you to read the problems carefully. And if you need help, be sure to ask someone at home to at least read the problem for you. I'm going to read this one. This one says, Cassidy has the number cards shown below. Now, the number cards shown below, I'm going to highlight those for you. It's these number cards. So she's got the number cards 47, 48, 51, 52, and 54. Okay? Let's go back to the problem. Cassidy has those number cards. And then the problem continues. She gives away the cards with numbers less than 49 or greater than 53. Which number cards does Cassidy have now? Now, this is going to take a little bit of thinking, but you guys are so smart. I know you're going to be able to do it. Watch me work through this problem. Now, let's see. One thing I like to do is I like to read the problem more than once. Sometimes that helps. So I'm going to erase all this. And let's see if this works. Cassidy has the number cards shown below. 47, 48, 51, 52, 54. She gives away the cards with numbers less than 49. Now I'm going to stop there for a minute. She gives away the cards that are less than 49. So I have to think which of these cards down here are less than 49. Well, let's see. Here's 47. That's less than 49. So I can cross that out. I should probably check all the number cards. Okay. 48. Is that less than 49? Yes, that is less than 49. So I can cross that out. 51. Is that less than 49? No. So I'm going to leave that alone. 52. That's more. That's greater than 49. Leave that alone. And 54, again, that's greater than 49. That's not less than, so I have to leave it alone. But I'm not done. Let's go back to the problem. So she gives away the cards with numbers less than 49, or she also gives away the cards that are greater than 53. So now let's go back down to the number cards and let's see. Which ones are greater than 53? I guess I can use a different color here. Is 51 greater or more than 53? No. What about 52? Is that more than 53? No, that's less than. So I leave that alone. 54. 54. Now, is that greater than 53? Yes, that's greater than. And the problem says that she gives the cards away that are greater than 53. So I'm going to take my pen and cross that out. And then the rest of the problem says, which number cards does Cassidy have now? Well, all we have to do is look at the number cards and see which ones are left. And there's only two that are left, 51 and 52. And so that's my answer. And I go to the bottom. It says Cassidy, here, let me highlight that. Cassidy has number cards, and that's where they want you to write your answer. And I'm going to show you 51 and 52. Now, to help you out, you can practice with the problems on pages 418, 419, 420. And if you want, you can stop the video here and get right to work. But if you'd like a little bit of extra help, I'm going to go and read some of these problems to you, and maybe that will help. So on page 418, let me just get my highlighter here. The problem at the top, this is problem number 1. I'll read you this problem. It says, Tony has these number cards. So he's got these down here. He gives away the cards with numbers less than 16 or greater than 19. Cross those out, just like we did. Which number cards does Tony have now? And it gives you a little bit of help up here. Think, what do I need to find? What information do I need to use? And you can go back, read the problem again, see if you can figure out which number cards Tony has. For problem 2, I'll read this one. Where's my highlighter? There. Carol has these number cards. She keeps the cards with numbers greater than 98. Oh, so she's going to, this is a little bit different. She's going to keep the cards that are greater than 98. And then we've got this word or, and it's tricky. So she's also going to keep the cards that are less than 95. And then what they want you to do, circle the number cards Carol keeps. So this is different. This isn't what she's giving away. They want to know, what does she keep? Let's take a look. Problem 3, now I'm on page 419. And again, if you need to pause the video and do the problem, that's great. This is Felipe. Felipe has these number cards. He gives away cards with the numbers less than 60. So we're going to cross those out. And he also gives away the cards that are greater than 65. Cross those out. Which number cards does Felipe have now? Look at the cards, cross out the ones that he gives away, and then write down the cards that are left. Molly, in problem 4, Molly underlines the number cards greater than 76. Now we're underlining, that's different. And circles the number cards less than 84. Which number cards are both greater than 76 and less than 84? Now that's really a tricky problem. So what I'm going to do now is what I'd like you to do is pause the video here, try these 4 problems, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in a moment and show you the answers. But don't check the answers until you've done these 4 problems. So you have to do problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, and problem 4. Okay, pause the video right here and come back. La, 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 la. Did you pause the video? Did you do all your problems? Okay, let's go back to problem number 1. I'm going to get my pen. I'm going to pick a different color because why not? So it says Tony has these number cards and he gives away the cards with numbers that are less than 16. And I'm going to stop right there. I'm just going to look for the cards that are less than 16. And I'm going to cross them out. And that's 15. He also gives away the cards that are greater than 19. So I need numbers larger than 19. And it says cross those out. Well, 17 and 18. That's not more than, that's not greater than 19. But 20 and 22, cross those out. So Tony has what number cards? He has 17 and 18. Did you get that right? Let's look at problem 2. Carol has these number cards. She keeps the cards. She keeps the cards with numbers greater than 98. And we have to circle the cards that she keeps. Okay, numbers that are greater than 98. 90? No. 91? No. 96? No. 97? No. Those are all less than 98. But 99 is greater than 98. So I'm going to circle it. And she also keeps the cards that are less than 95. So I'm looking for cards that are less than 95. Let's see. 90, that's less than 95. 91. So you should have circled the cards that she keeps. And Carol keeps number cards 90, 91, and 99. How'd you do on that one? It's tricky, so it's okay. We got 2 more to go. Here we go. Felipe has these number cards. He gives away cards with numbers less than 60. Okay, he's going to give them away. So I'm going to cross those out to show he's giving them away. He gives away cards with numbers less than 60. Let's look at the numbers. 58. Yeah, that's less than 60. I can cross that out. 61. Nope. Greater than 65. 63, 64, 68. Those are all more than or greater than 65. I'm sorry. Greater than 60. Greater than 60. Boy, oh boy. I got to read this thing again because it's tricky. Felipe has these number cards. He gives away cards with numbers less than 60. Okay. So I'm going to cross out 58 because it's less than 60. And the rest of these, yep, they're more than 60. Okay. He also gives away the cards that are greater than 65. Is that greater than 65? No. Is 63 greater than 65? No. Is 64 greater than 65? No. But 68, that's greater than 65. So we cross that out. And it says, which number cards does Felipe have now? That would be 61, 63, and 64. How'd you do on that one? Okay, one last one. We can do this. Molly. Erase this. Molly underlines the number cards greater than 76. Okay, let's start there. Greater than 76. No, that's less than. No, that's less than. Aha, 78 is greater than 76. 82 is greater than 76. And let's see, 85. Okay. Now let's go back to the problem. And she circles the number cards less than 84. Okay, so I need number cards that are less than 84. Okay, we go back up here to 72. Is that less than 84? Yes. Circle it. 75. Is that less than 84? Yes. Circle it. 78. Is that less than 84? Yes. 82. Is that less than 84? Yes, it is. And 85. Is that less than 84? No. So I leave it alone. And then we go back to the question. It says, which number cards are both greater than 76 and less than 84? And really what they want are the number cards that have a circle and an underline. Well, if you look carefully, let me see. How about pink? We've got 78 and 82. Those are the only two number cards that have both. So we're going to write down in the bottom number cards 78 and 82 are both greater than 76 and less than 84. Don't worry if you didn't get these all correct. These are really, really tricky problems, okay? If you'd like a little bit more practice, you can do some of the pages after this. You could try this page. This is going to be a tricky page. But you know what? Page 421, you could do problem 1 and problem 2, and that'll give you a little bit more practice. So let me know how you did. You can send me a message in Class Dojo. And again, I know it's going to be a little tricky, but don't worry. You'll get there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.